Hello guys, shout out to everybody. So I just to react to a post one of the popular news publishers in this country about the oppression by our authorities. So guys, I'm so angry about what happened in our country right now about this report, because our authorities, they could not protect our people, they could not prevent the crimes that being victimized by those addicts and criminals, yet they persecute our people, our innocent people who complaining about what they have done in our country, especially this our elected public servant, elected politician, elected leader. Guys, this is not right for a democratic form of government. This is against the law, and they are committed a huge violence in our country. Guys, what happening today is the oppression of our people under the wicked leader. I hope our authorities must stand by their principles to protect the people and to save our country as a democratic form of government, because all the money that they have, it comes from the people, especially your salaries. Even all the programs that conducted by their own secretaries, Remulla, billions of money has been taken by our government, by our secretary, that is come from the people, not the president, not the politician. So my concern, show your empathy, sympathy to our Filipino people who are suffering for poverty right now. Please protect the people of the Philippines. And that is your job. That is your responsibility. Not to protect any politician. Because a democratic country must stand by the people of the Philippines, not by the politician who are elected by our people. And that is the true story about what kind of government that we have.